Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss future episodes.
In the last episode, we completed our formalities and checked into Fiji. Having had a well-earned beer, we enjoyed a calm and peaceful night's sleep on the dock in Savusavu. We were up bright and early the next day to do a few jobs around town, including paying our fee to the health department for their services at check-in. We are officially paid. Yay!
Nice.
Got to wait for our cruising permit now.
What are you stuffing your face with, Joe?
Nothing to see here. Just a small coconut sticky roll thing from the baker. I've got no idea. You won't like it though. I bet you will. Having paid our dues and recharged our batteries with a small snack, we set off to the very well-stocked fruit and veggie market. We even found some fresh jackfruit, which is a particular favourite of ours. We've only ever had the canned variety, so we asked the local ladies for their advice on how to cook it, which turned out to be pretty easy. Jackfruit curry on the menu tonight then. Hey honey bun, what are we up to?
We are giving these guys a bit of a hand. That red boat has got an engine failure.
This one just here. The red boat, the red mono behind us has no engine, and they're going to try and get it here into this dock next to us. So the current's actually running this way towards us. So the boat's basically going to drift down. The dinghies are in the water. They're going to help to manoeuvre it. So as usual, when another yachtie needs help, everyone springs into action. Rob jumped into Dave along with two fellow cruisers and their dinghies, while the two guys from the marina tried to mastermind the manoeuvre from the bigger boats. The broken down yacht turned out to be rather heavy, and the current was quite strong. And yes, they came incredibly close to double trouble, but Dave rushed in and averted disaster. But the fun wasn't over quite yet. The two guys on board the boat seemed quite unprepared for docking and didn't have a single line ready. Just be ready to push the bow. Nice work, guys. All good, Rob. Oh no, there's no line. They're not. Finally, they seemed to realise that they should probably be playing some part in their rescue and managed to get a line to shore. Don't just take that line, Rob, and just rather than throwing it. Okay. Crisis over. That was a bit of excitement for a Saturday. So today is my birthday. Carol and Dennis are going to come over. We've got a bottle of fizz, and then we're going to meet some other cruisers over at the Copra Shed Bar. We're in Savusavu, so we're going to go and have a few beers. We've got some snacks to take over. They've got some picnic tables outside, so we've done some hummus and some spicy tomato salsa, fresh tomatoes and coriander that we got at the market. Ooh. And we've just cooked up some tortillas. And here's my handsome husband.
Here's my handsome wife, my pretty wife.
I'll take handsome. So yeah, so it should be a good evening. Hopefully we won't be too hungover in the morning. So Carol and Dennis are here, and I have to say, Dennis, you are looking very fine. It's not quite a Hawaiian shirt though, is it?
It's subtle.
No,
I
it's
don't
not.
want to be too
Carol's looking very floral as well, might I say, and we're just about to pop the cork on the world's most expensive champagne.
Well, almost.
Well, it was something from Tasmania that's fizzy anyway. Oh, there it goes.
That was New Zealand? It must be. No, it's yogurt they don't have in the States.
Yeah.
Never mind.
No, they have yogurt.
Yeah, because it's called yogurt, Dennis, not yogurt.
The yogurt
Okay. Yeah.
Yogurt makings.
Yeah,
Yogurt. You repeat after me. Yogurt.
There goes those asshole Americans again.
Meet our friends, the asshole Americans. There go, my darlings.
Measuring sticks. Huh?
Cheers.
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 Cheers. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Lovely to see you.
Happy to you're here for your birthday.
So we all descended on the local Chinese restaurant, who happily provided a delicious vegan meal for Rob and me. Big thanks to the wonderful crews of Evergreen, Blithe Spirit, Maggie Drum and Barefoot for helping me celebrate my birthday. It was a really fun evening, and I even got a cuddle from the restaurant's pussycat. Beautiful morning, sun's out, it's jolly warm, and Rob and Stuart have just been to get some diesel. Stuart's giving Rob a hand. The plan is that we're going to head over to Taveuni on Friday. There's no wind, which is what we want, because we're going against the trade winds basically. So we want a no wind day. So we're going to motor over to Taveuni, throw the hook down there, and hopefully have 7 or 8 days of diving. It's been nice in Savusavu. We've done our reprovisioning. We've got a few bits and bobs of fruit and veg to get, but other than that, pretty much ready to unhook from the dock and go out and explore a wee bit of Fiji. So yeah, that's how we get fuel, and generally that's how we get fuel. It's quite rare, especially in the islands, to have a fuel dock that you can pull up to. It's usually not too much of a hassle, especially when it's not raining. I'm just waiting for the end of the dock to fall off with the weight of the diesel cans. It's almost 6 AM, sun's coming up behind me, and we're going to do attempt 2 to get out of Savusavu. Yesterday the wind came ripping through, we were getting gusts of up to 30 knots, it quite literally pinned us to the dock. And this morning it's a bit different. Let's glass out. Captain's just getting some lines ready.
Morning.
I'm hoping with no wind it's going to be a tad easier than it was yesterday. Got a pod of dolphins, which is always lovely. A bit too far away to film at the moment, so I hope they're going to come play. It's our first dolphins in Fiji. Ben, dolphins, lovely boy.
No.
They're whales. What kind of whales are they? Look at the hooks on their dorsals. Can you see? Pilot whales, possibly. Whales of some description, but look here, right by the boat. They're hanging out. Wow, these guys are awesome.
Very cool. Super chill.
Captain Fantastic's not doing anything with the drone.
Bloody drone. Just done a firmware update on me.
This is the drone dance. They're just super chill. Leave them in peace. Bye whales. Swim safely.
It's been a glorious day.
That up ahead of us is Taveuni.
It is.
Not long till we get in. What is it, about an hour and a half?
5 miles.
About an hour, yeah, cool. We were reliably informed by several other sailing yachts that this was the place to be in Fiji. Alan and Terry, who own the resort, are extremely welcoming to visiting yachts. Not only do they provide free moorings, but we were invited to use the bar, restaurant and pool. They also offer a great dive deal package which we fully intended to make the most of. A quick radio call on approach saw us guided safely onto a mooring. We were going to like it here. We are just taking our dive gear over to set it up and leave it there hopefully for the next week, 10 days, however many dives we're going to do.
Yeah.
Cool. We've been welcomed with open arms already. This is where we are. much shabby, eh? Let's go and oh, I nearly fell in then. Do the got our dive stuff sorted out. So this is the resort, and very nice it is too. This is the lovely Bridget, who's going to be looking after us on dives. This is the gear room, and we just won't see that again pretty much till we go, which is awesome. None of that gear washing malarkey at the end of every dive. Yay! That's what we like. Did you say you want us to analyse tanks now?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll use nitrox. Do you want to use nitrox? Dive gear's all set up, and we are at Paradise Taveuni, and it is Paradise. DT's just out here, and this is the setting. We've been very welcomed. We're free to use the pool, we're free to use all of the facilities. This is the bar area. This is Flo. Give us a wave. There you go. And another one. There you go. These are the crazy ladies that are going to be looking after us. State of him. Which one's which then? I'm confused now.
I don't know. One's got the haircut, one hasn't. Hello.
Hello, this one's brownie. Brownie doesn't have the rouge. And they have the
I see it.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Very nice. They're welcoming the guests. What a lovely welcome to get. And they're welcoming these people here who are coming in by boat. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to share with your friends.